Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazingly well today. Today I'm going to be doing a review and makeup tutorial, this look right here, but with a focus on applying magnetic eyelashes. If you're anything like me and just find applying eyelashes just a chore, it's difficult, I never line them up right, it's embarrassing, then hopefully this tutorial will be for you. So I am trying out the Vani-T Lash Voltage Magnetic Eyelashes. I got these in PR, so thank you so much Vani-T. I cannot wait to show you how I applied these. So without further ado, if you want to find out how to get this makeup look and how to apply these lashes, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just go in with some lip oil. This is just one. It's a new brand. It's called Florence by Mills, which is the, I think it's Millie Brown, Millie Bobby Brown. I've never tried this before actually. I got it from ASOS. I was interested because I saw that it's a new brand, so add a bit of that before I put on any lipstick. And this is called Glossier lip oil. It doesn't taste of anything. Kind of quite wet. Interesting. And now I'm just going to go in with the Tarte base tape, which is just a little sample that I got from Tarte when I purchased the new Shape Tape concealer. I'm just going to add a bit on the back of my hand actually. It looks like glue. Probably is. No, it's not. I'm just going to pop that different areas of my face. This is just a primer. It smells like coconut, which is really nice. It's quite tacky, so it's quite good for when you are applying foundation. I am so excited to try these magnetic lashes. I think as someone who, I do a lot of beauty reviews, so it's quite embarrassing that I actually cannot apply lashes all that great. It takes me a long time to get it right, and I just find them really faffy. And I wish that I could do it amazingly, but I cannot. So I'm excited to try them. And I'm just going to go in with the Tarte Double Beauty Concealer first, and in the shade 34S Medium Sand. A lot of people ask me what my MAC shade is, and I've never purchased any foundation from MAC before. I've heard it breaks you out. So I've never purchased any MAC foundation, so I really don't know what my MAC shade is, but I do need to find out because some of my friends love MAC and others not so much. I always like to apply my concealer before I apply anything else because I find that with my acne scars it just gives it a bit more of a better coverage rather than when I apply it after, and it never looks cakey, which nobody wants. Nobody wants that. I've got Echo sitting there with me. She's so cute. Yes, I'm talking about you. Now I'm just going to go in with the NUDESTIX Foundation, and this is in the shade Nude 5, and this is just a natural tint. So it's a foundation, but it's more like a natural tint, and I just take like 1.5 pumps of that on the back of my hand. I've kind of got this weird way of using this at the moment, so I like to kind of swirl it all around on this brush, put it in the areas that I want it, like that, and then taking like this foundation buffer brush, I just kind of like pat it all in, and I feel like it looks so nice, especially when I'm having a good skin day, where today's one of those days. I'm having a good skin day. I really love Vani-T, so I'm not affiliated with their brand at all, but they have sent me a few things over the last like 2 years, and I really love their products. So I'm really just excited to kind of create this look today. I'm using their eyeshadow palette as well, which is like the nude eyeshadow palette, and the pigment on their eyeshadows is insane. So let's do the eye makeup first. Oh, you don't even need to base your eye with their shades. Look at this though. It broke in the post, and this one eyeshadow, which would have been so nice to use, it goes everywhere. Maybe I just need to throw that one in the bin. So I'm going to go in gonna have to do it like this. I'm actually going to go in with this shade here, which is called Cashmere. So I'm just gonna go in with that shade first. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, and I'm just using a blending brush to do this. This is just such a nice warm, like nudie shade. It's got like a little pop of like pink, I think, in it, because it really brings it out. It's really warm. They're just so nice to apply. They're so easy to apply. And you can just blend it in so nicely. I'm just loving this look at the moment with like the Milk-Made French braids with like a bit more of a natural bronzy makeup. I think it's just really cute for summer. Now I'm just going to deepen that up slightly. So I'm just going to go in with Arabia, which is like this warmy shade here. I'm sorry that I can't show you. I'm just going to use the same brush. I was going to change brushes, but I can't be bothered. So I'm just going to take that and just go over that shade and kind of blend that into the crease. I'm not going to bring it down at all. I'm just going to blend it into the crease. We're kind of like on the verge of coming out of lockdown now in the UK. It's really weird. I was saying to Gary earlier today that I don't know whether I'm ready. Like, I don't know whether I'm ready to like just see everyone. I'm going to now just do my brows. I'm going to go in with the NYX Brow Mascara. I used to use the pencil, the Maybelline New York pencil, but I've really got into using like more creamier mascara like brow gels, because I feel like it works my eyebrows better. Now I'm just going to go in with my MAC Cosmetics Hyper Real Glow highlighter palette, which if you really want to see how amazing this palette is, I did a review on it which I'll link above, but you'll see it now in more detail, but I used all of the shades in the last video. I'm just going to go in with the bronzier one right here and just pop that, like dab it into my like cheeks here, but then like deepen it up on my cheekbones. So Gary's just downloaded Last of Us, which is like one of my favourite PlayStation games. The second one's just come out, so he's just ordered it and we've been playing it today. How lovely that is. Just feel like it gives you like a nice bronzy glow. Now I'm just going to go in with my MAC Cosmetics Give Me Sun Powder, and I'm just going to lightly use this on my cheeks just to kind of add more bronze to the highlighter. Now just for a little bit of blush, because I love a bit of blusher. Just going to pop that on my cheeks, my cheeks. Up a little bit. I like to add a bit on my nose as well. Now to try the lashes, which will be what you've been waiting for. So these are the Vani-T Australia Lash Voltage Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes. So in here it's got two sets of magnetic eyelashes, compact case and tweezers. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. You've got the tweezers, the eyeliner and the lashes in there. So these are the Lux lashes. So if I open up the compact, and then inside it's got the two lashes. So we're just going to give this a whirl and hopefully it works. So what do you do? So it says on here, there's instructions. So there is how to use on the back, which I always love these because I like to make sure I follow them. Test width length of magnetic lash to check fit, trim if required. So I think that'll be fine. When using liquid liner, shake well before each use. Apply a thick line on top of the eyelid along the natural lash line, ensuring adequate coverage is achieved on both inner and outer corners of the eyes for maximum grip. Use fingers or tweezers supplied. Hold the magnetic lashes on top of the eyeliner until they lock into place. For best performance, endeavour to apply lashes before eyeliner dries completely, 45 seconds to a minute. Apply all makeup before eyeliner to avoid interference between magnet-infused eyeliner and magnetic lashes. Start with a thin line of eyeliner working from the inner corner of lash line outwards. Thicken for maximum grip, particularly inner and outer corners. So let's go, let's just give it a whirl, shall we? I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. Watch me mess it up, that's probably more what it is. And I'm going to use the mirror because I think that's... I'm just going to give this a shake. And it looks like just a normal eyeliner. So I'm just going to try and... I need to leave them to dry for a little while before applying the lashes. I've got the eyelash ready. If you can see on the back, I can get this into focus. If you see on the back of the lash, there's like little magnetic squares that I think then connect onto your lash. I think that should be fine. I'm just going to try and apply a lash. Oh wow, yeah they do. I think I'd be better off using my fingers for this. Oh my god, wow, how easy was that? Right, let's do the next one. I think it needs to dry just a little bit longer. I'm just going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. It's insane. Like, it's so pretty. I mean, these lashes are fierce. Probably could wear these on a daily basis, but I think on a night out, lovely. They are unreal. Right, let's do the rest of my makeup. Right, I'm just going to overline my lips slightly. I think that would just add to this look. And then the final thing to do is just go in with my Tarte Stay Spray to keep everything in place, hopefully not damage the eyelashes. And that's it. This is the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Those eyelashes are unreal. Like, they were so easy to apply. For someone who's really useless at like lining up their eyelashes, it was just boom, boom, boom. There's like the little tags on them, the magnetic tags, really just help you kind of like pop them into place like securely around your eye. They don't feel heavy, they don't feel weird or anything like that on my eyelashes, and I just think they're probably a lot nicer because if when you peel them off, it's the magnets that's coming off, it's not all that glue. So yeah, they look lovely. I am just so impressed, like so impressed. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!